everybody, it's Laura from Stretch and Results. I don't know how well you can hear me because I am in a plane traveling from Toronto back to Hawaii. I was just at a training session with Procter and over 100 Procter & Gallagher consultants from literally all over the world. It was an amazing experience. But one of the things I took away, and there were so many things I learned there, was I'm really pushing forward to achieve a dream, and the reality is I'm retiring this summer from the military from 27 years of service, and that's something that I want to pursue, and I'm pushing forward, and anyone who knows me knows I'm very goal-oriented and I make things happen, but I was getting impatient because things weren't happening fast enough. And I kept making excuses that, I leave for work at 6 in the morning and I get back sometimes at 6 at night and I gotta cook dinner and I want to spend time with Gary, of course, and take care of the pups. And I just don't have time to do what it takes right now. I just have to do little by little on the weekends. And what I came to realize is I had a paradigm, a mindset around time scarcity. And while I was at this seminar, I was literally in class all day, every day, until 6:30 at night. And you know what? Instead of just getting home or getting back to the room from class and just being, I'm so tired, I have so much to do, I just want to relax, I immediately put my things down and got to work, pursuing my dream. And honestly, if you have something that you want in your life bad enough, you will do whatever it takes to make it a reality. If it's your dream, you will see it through if you're committed to it, if you're truly committed to it. So I want you to take an inventory of things that you want in your life. How committed are you to achieving them? And are you willing to do what it takes to make it happen? So I have an article that I thought was really cool. It kind of came to me at the right time. And it was something that was sent via email from Procter. And this was about, this is from the book Think and Grow Rich, which I think is a really phenomenal book, but it really hit home. So Napoleon Hill said there's a difference between wishing for a thing and being ready to receive it. No one is ready for a thing until they believe that they can acquire it. The state of mind must be belief and not mere hope or wish. And he said, open-mindedness is essential to belief. Closed minds will not inspire faith, courage, or belief. And get this. He said, remember, no more effort is required in order to aim high in life, to demand abundance and prosperity that is required to accept misery and poverty. And that is what really stuck with me, because that's the lesson that I learned in class. It's just, there's no more effort required to go for greatness than there is to just settle for being lazy. There's no more effort that it takes for me to sit down and in front of the TV and mindlessly watch something that isn't going to nurture me or get me closer to my goal than it is to take an hour to read or study or do something that's going to get me closer to my dream. So keep that in mind. I mean, really take a look at what you're doing and what you're willing to do to get closer to your dream, and take an inventory. Are you dealing with paradigms here? Are you really willing to do what it takes to get success and achieve your dream? I know this is kind of a dark video and it might be hard to hear, but I just thought it was really important to get out there, and I'm achieving my dream right now on the airplane. I got internet, I have no excuses, so don't make excuses for yourself, and I'm here to support you. So until next time, this is Laura with Stretch and